Open Download Manager. Press Open MapBox button. Find your location. Now TB can recreate forest from real map in C4D automatically. Copy MapBox link and paste it into Download Manager. Select Style for Diffuse Map, Displacement and New Forest Map. Now I download 4K maps. This process takes few minutes. Select Forest Scatter option in TB menu. Now you will see temp trees scatter models on terrain and special rollout. For better performance you can use preview mode. You can use two different shading mode. And combine this two option as you want. Of course you can change count, scale and distribution of trees. You can use render multiplier options for getting better performance in viewport. And better result in render. Remember, render multiplier works only in picture viewer. TB have 5 different tree groups with same settings. Every group can be adjusted independently. Distribution curve can be useful if you have custom forest gradient map. Let's set up all groups. OK. Now we have full procedural forest on terrain. If viewports start to lagging, you can use render multiply option. You can reduce the number of trees by an order of magnitude, but increase it when rendering. Good. Now viewport updates very fast. Now render it. You will say the tree counts will be increased by render multiply option. Other great feature, you can use custom mesh for every tree group. I insert pre-made tree mesh for scatter. If you want that foliage takes color from the texture, you must leave the foliage without a shader. Or use the McGrath color shader. Now drop this mesh into special slot and group. You can change all parameters as a default object. For custom mesh you can also use preview mode. You have to move reference object out of camera view. In future updates we will add new tree meshes for your convenience. Now render it. Thanks for watching.